Hi all of you. Today our topic is integration continuation. Methods of integration. Methods of integration. First one, integration by substitution. Substitution. So integration by substitution. So first of all, this is the first time discussing about this. Okay. Suppose example I am giving integral sine 2x dx. Integral sine 2x dx. So we have the formula for the sin x, not for sin 2x. I can take 2x is equal to t. 2 into dx is equal to dt. Therefore, dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Therefore, integral sin t into 1 by 2 dt. Therefore, 1 by 2 integral sin t dt. Therefore, we know the form of sin t, integral sin t. Integral sin t. Integral sin x, whatever may be, minus cos x. Minus cos x. Therefore, answer is 1 by 2 cos t plus c means minus 1 by 2 cos c plus means minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus c. Minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus c. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. And integral f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. I am giving one example. How can it is possible means, suppose f proof f of x is equal to t. F of x is equal to t. Therefore, the derivative of f dash x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, dt by t. It is in the form of integral 1 by x dx is equal to log mod x plus c. Therefore, answer is log mod t plus c. Therefore, log mod f of x plus c. This is the answer. This is very, very important formula. Okay, I am giving one example to you. f dash x by f of x. Integral tan x dx means tan x means sin x by cos x dx. Therefore, you can take the derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Here f of x is equal to cos x. F dash x is equal to minus sin x dx. Cos x derivative, okay, that is equal to minus f dash x by f of x dx. That is equal to minus log mod f of x. Therefore, answer minus log mod cos x plus c. Minus log mod cos x plus c. Otherwise, answer is log mod secant x plus c. Otherwise, log mod secant x plus c. Log mod secant x plus c. Okay. Suppose same way, integral cot x dx. Cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x means sin x. F of x is equal to sin x. F dash x is equal to cos x. That is equal to answer integral f dash x by f of x. Therefore, integral cos x by sin x means log mod sin x plus c. This is the answer. And integral f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, and another form integral f dash x by root f of x, 2 root f of x plus c, 2 root f of x plus c, and f circle g of x into g dash x dx is equal to f of g of x plus c. This is also important formulas. Okay. Next, integration of some standard functions. Integration of some standard functions. 1 by root over a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Here I can take the given function in the sin inverse, therefore I can take put x equal to a sin theta, dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Okay, dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Therefore 1 by root over a square minus a square sin square theta into a cos theta d theta. Therefore you can take as the a square common, therefore a into root over 1 minus sin square theta, here a into cos theta, a cancel, cos theta cancel. Therefore integral d theta means theta plus c. I am taken sin theta is equal to x by a, therefore theta is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Therefore integral 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. This is the one of the important formula. And 1 by root over a square plus x square dx sin h inverse x by a plus c. Here put x is equal to a sin h theta. Okay. Why? Because here given sin h, therefore you can take sin h theta. And 1 by root over x square minus a square dx cos h inverse x by a plus c. Put x is equal to a cos h theta or a sin h theta, there is no problem. Okay. And 1 by a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Here put x is equal to a tan theta. 1 by, okay. Next, one by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Proof. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by a minus x into a plus x. A minus x into a plus x. I can write 1 by a plus x plus 1 by a minus x. Add and subtract 2a. Divide and multiply with 2a here. Dx. Why? Because suppose you can take a minus x plus a plus x by, I can write another way also, a plus a minus x plus a plus x by a minus x into a plus x. Okay, means multiply and divide with 2a. Multiply and divide with 2a means 1 by 2a into 1 by a plus x plus 1 by a minus x. Here you can observe a minus x plus a plus x, x common 2a, therefore multiply and divide with 2a, okay, by a plus x into a minus x plus, therefore 1 by 2a into, it is in the form of 1 by x. 1 by x means log mod x, a plus x. Here you can observe the value of before of x is negative, therefore log mod a minus x plus c plus c. Therefore, it's simple way. We know the form of log a minus b, log a by b. Therefore, log a plus x by a minus x. A plus x by a minus x plus c. Okay. And 1 by x square minus x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Plus c. Root over a square minus x square dx, x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a c, x by a plus c. Okay, and root over a square plus x square dx, x by 2 root over a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus c. Root over x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root over x square minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a c, x by a plus c. Suppose you want to know this proof, you can do x is equal to a sin theta. Put x is equal to a sin theta. Put x is equal to a sin h theta. Why? Because here given sin h, sin inverse. Put x is equal to a cos h theta. This is a simple way. Okay.